This is how I make my protein pancakes. A scoop of your favorite flavored protein powder. I'll be using vanilla. Then add 1 egg white and 1 whole egg. If you have mastered the art of separating the egg yolk from the egg white, well, good on you. I tried, failed, and I got half the egg yolk in. I mean, it doesn't really matter, you can use 2 whole eggs. I then add a peeled banana. Yes, I have to mention peeled in case one of you decide to put the freaking banana with the skin into the blender. Add a teaspoon of baking powder. Why? Because most recipes for pancakes use it. Stop asking questions and just do as I say. Add a cup of milk. This can be anything. Cow's milk, goat milk, almond milk, soya milk, oat milk, whatever, it doesn't matter. 1 cup oats, optional. Alright, blend them all together to form a thick consistency. For f***'s sake, just make it look something like this. Add milk if you want it lighter. If you want it thicker, just take away milk. I don't know. Now spray some oil onto a hot pan or pour a tablespoon of whatever oil or butter. Then pour the butter onto it to any shape you like. Flip it when you see bubbles form, and once cooked, layer them all up. Add some fruits, pour over maple syrup, honey, jam, whatever, and enjoy.